I would rate this resume an 8 out of 10. Template niya, ATS friendly kasi single column. Good. Pagkakasunod-sunod, work experience, skills, tsaka education. Good. Reviewin natin yung contents ng bullet niya sa work experience. Una, gumamit siya ng strong action verbs. Delivered, provided, and manage. Strong action verbs meaning high impact role yung ginawa mo or kumbaga naging leader ka or accountable ka sa trabaho mo. Okay din yung susunod na contents which are the specific task and responsibility and then ended with the specific result of that responsibility. So strong action verb followed by the specific job description na ginawa mo and then followed by the result of the work that you did. So you ensured, secured, and uninterrupted access. And then okay din dito, although pwede mong palitan ng coordinated yung supported. And then I would just add, kung kaya, maglalagay ka ng metrics sa result or outcome ng kada bullet contents mo. Pero overall, okay siya. Yung skills, hindi siya naka-single column. Yung tip ko rito, para maging single column is you separate each of your skill through a semicolon. So, kunyari, communication, semicolon, adaptability, semicolon, willingness to learn, and so on. Sa education, okay naman. Bali, kulang lang to ng metrics, tsaka onting adjust lang sa skill section para mabasa siya ng ATS. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.